Hello everyone, this is David at Grow and Eat This. It's Tuesday, June 9th, I believe. We got a couple of days of rain coming, so these onions are almost ready to pick, so I'm going to get them picked before the rain shows up. This is the smaller bed that was mostly the extra plants, but we're still going to see have you ever seen onions? These are some of easily the biggest onions ever grown by me. Just been an incredible year for onions. So we're going to get started getting them picked, then we're going to get them dried. Now I could work on pulling all these by hand, but I'm getting old. I'm going to use this little fork thing here. I believe it's just going to do a heck of a job. Go right underneath and pick them up. This is definitely the old man, lazy person way to pick your onions. Picks them straight up, cleans them off pretty good. Good morning. My neighbor's doing like me, trying to get a little work done before the heat gets too bad. So that's the buzzing you hear. This is working really well. Probably going to be putting peppers in here. Peppers or tomatoes. I'm guessing peppers. The much bigger bed is up higher, but they're not falling over much yet, so don't know why that is. These are going to need to air dry good for a couple of days. Brush off some of the dirt. These are really, really nice onions. Last year I planted like 80 onions, and I think we got like 5. We just got big fat stems. We didn't actually get onions. This one is obviously the winner of this bed. A couple more nice ones. Well, it won't take but a few minutes to get some fresh compost, organic fertilizer in here, and this bed will be ready to have something else planted in it. I don't like having beds laying around not working. So there's the harvest. It's a 8-foot by 2-foot bed. Just outstanding. I am so pleased. Easily going to be, between this and the next bed, best onion harvest we have ever had here in 30 years. So this is David at Grow and Eat This. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching. This is a lot of fun. Hey everyone, a little addendum here as I'm walking back up here to this other bed. I'm looking at some terrible rain clouds coming. So I'm going to pick a few of these that are falling over. Partially because I just want you to see how incredible this is. What a huge onion. And there's more. Look at the size of this onion. Another really, really nice onion. Just one right after the other. Best onion harvest ever. We had a longer cool period, nightly cool period, which made it actually hard to get some of the summer things out because it was just too cold. But it sure made it nice for the onions. The rest of these look like they'd like a little more time. So we're going to leave them in. So, here's what I've picked. I've done part of this row. There's still more up there. And as you can see, there's still plenty of onions growing. I'm really, really pleased with these. So, this is David at Grow and Eat This. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching. This is Zone 7, Lawrenceville, Georgia. Going to be in the high 80s and supposed to be a whole lot of rain coming. So, I'm going to get these started drying where it won't get rained on. Thank you for watching.